Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with CaixaBank Review My Usage Experience. CaixaBank Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive online platform for CaixaBank customers to review their banking activity. Its main purpose is to provide detailed transaction history, account summaries, and budgeting tools. The target audience is existing CaixaBank customers who want to actively monitor and manage their finances. Key features appear to include detailed transaction listings, customizable reporting, and potentially budgeting features. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Their website provides details on the various tools available. The service positions itself as a user-friendly way to manage finances, emphasizing convenience and transparency. They highlight the ease of accessing transaction data, which is a clear benefit. They don't explicitly mention pricing, as it's presumably included within standard banking services. Availability is limited to CaixaBank customers, naturally. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using CaixaBank Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. After logging into my CaixaBank online banking portal, finding the review section was intuitive. The interface is clean and well organized. Navigating the different sections, from viewing individual transactions to generating monthly reports, was straightforward. I particularly appreciated the ability to filter transactions by date, amount, and category. The performance was excellent, the site loaded quickly, and I never experienced any glitches or delays. I was able to easily download a CSV file of my transactions, useful for my personal budgeting spreadsheets. I had a quick question about a specific transaction and their support responded within 2 days via email, a reasonable response time. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to track my spending patterns. The standout feature for me was definitely the customizable reporting options. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, forcing me to use a desktop or laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with CaixaBank Review My Usage Experience. It's a valuable tool for managing my finances effectively. That's my overview of CaixaBank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.